Hello, today we're talking about reflections. And on this coordinate plane, I have for you a quadrilateral ABCD, and we're going to reflect it about this line right here. Now notice I've given you all four side lengths, all four angle measures, and then the area of this figure as well. So I'm going to choose to reflect. I choose my object. I'm going to choose the line I want to reflect over, and there's my reflection. Now notice that AD had a length of 5, and AD's image also has a length of 5. AB was 5.39, its image is 5.39. Both of these side lengths were 4.12, and so they are here. Okay, what I want to do is I also want to find the angle measure for each of these. And so let's see if I can. So there's the angle measure for C. There it is for D's image. There it is for A's image. And there it is for B's image. I can also have it calculate the area for us. And the area of this figure is 21, just like the other figure. So what that tells me is that these two figures are congruent. And I can slide these around. I can choose D and move it around. And knowing that it's still doing the reflection, everything is the same. The new area is 26. The new area is 26. Side lengths are the same. 5, 6.08. There's 5, 6.08. So what this tells me is that these two figures are congruent. Anytime I do a reflection, we result in a congruent figure. And keep messing with it here and just having some fun. And this is the type of polygon I want it to look like now. I'll spread it out a little bit better than that. There we go. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to draw a line segment. I'm going to connect up point A to its image. I'm also going to connect point B to its image. And I'm going to have this program calculate the slope for this segment. And it puts it way up here. The slope of this segment is negative 0.4. I'll click down here. And this slope is also negative 0.04. So when I draw a segment from these 2 points, those segments should have the same slope. We can test again. I can draw another segment. Here's my button. I'll draw from C to its image. I'll draw from D to its image. Notice those lines are never going to touch. And again, it has everything to do with the fact that these lines have the same slope. So these lines are parallel. Okay, and so when we do this by hand, it's going to be the slopes that actually help us draw these reflections, knowing that the slope to the line is going to help us figure out, well, once we know one slope, we can figure out all the rest. Something else I can do, if I'm going to try to measure this angle here, this one, and that one. And there it is. We have a 90-degree angle here. And if this is 90, that's 90, that's 90, that's 90. So these two lines are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular. Well, I gave you 270, but same thing. And perpendicular again. So the segments connecting the image and its original point is perpendicular to the line around which you wanted to reflect. I think that's all I wanted to talk about. So, on that note, we are done.